With a develop plane feature, you can generate machining ready plane directly within your machining cycle. Instead of using the work plane menu here and click on develop plane to machine this groove, I will go into milling. First, I will define my stock, validate my stock, and I will click on manual contouring as I want to machine this groove. I will click on my geometry selection and notice this new icon here, which is machining in develop plane. I click on it and this dialog will appear. I will select the edges of my groove and I will define the diameter by clicking on the workpiece, and the diameter of the workpiece will be automatically filled. Validate. I select my tool, I click on contouring and select this Technify, and we execute the calculation. This way of machining in develop plane will instantly create a develop plane, which is here. I will go into simulation, dynamic simulation, so we can see machining.